Okay. Board is also clear. Yes, yes. Now let us start. Indices. Some useful result. We will write first. Some useful result. A raised to m into a raised to m. A raised to m. A is base and m is power. A raised to n. A is base. N is power. So wherever bases are same, a, and there is multiplication, we take the same base a and add the power. So power into power, add the power. A raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. Again a raised to m, a is base, m is power. A raised to n, a is base, n is power. So again base is same, a. So now there is division. So a raised to m upon a raised to n, I can write a raised to m minus n. I can take n in the numerator, it will be minus n. So m minus n. Or I can take, write this. Or I can take m in the denominator. Yes. Yes, we'll solve that in the example, no. I can take m in the denominator, it will be n minus m. So power into power, add the power, power divided by power, subtract the power. Now a raised to m raised to n. New chapter, 7th chapter indices. A raised to m raised to n. So power raised to power. M raised to n. M raised to n. So power raised to power, we multiply the powers. Power raised to power, we multiply the powers. Power raised to power, we multiply the power. So a raised to m raised to n, we write a raised to m into n. Then a raised to minus m, if the power is negative, then I can take reciprocal, power become positive. A raised to minus m, the power is negative. When we take reciprocal, the power become positive. It become a raised to plus m. Then this is, yes, yes, ask the doubt. A raised, a raised to minus m, the power is negative. What is power? Minus m. So whenever power is negative, we take the reciprocal. The power become positive. A raised to minus m, I can write 1 upon a raised to plus m. Similarly, a raised to minus m is in the denominator. I can take that in the numerator, it will be minus m. So whenever we take the reciprocal, the power, the sign of that power changes. Yes. First and third. This is a raised to m into a raised to n. Let us take one example. Let us take one example there. For example, 2 raised to 4 into 2 raised to 6. 2 raised to 4, what is base? 2. Base is 2, power is 4. What is base? 2, power 6. So now whenever they have same base and there is multiplication, we take the same base 2, we add the power. 4 plus 6 is 10. Now third one, if it is 2 raised to 4 raised to 3. So this is 2 raised to 4, there is base is 2, power is 4, again power is 3. Two raised to 4 raised to 3, that is 2 raised to 12. 2 raised to 12. So whenever it is power raised to power, we multiply the power. Power into power, we add the power. Clear? Third one, power raised to power, we multiply the powers. power into power, add the power. Power divided by power, subtract the power. And whenever power is negative, we can take the reciprocal, the power become positive. Whenever we take the, yes. Star, why I had marked star? Because this fifth one I will be using most of the problem. Fifth result I will be using in most of the problem. So, yes, a by b raised to minus m. Now the power is negative. Power is negative. Whenever the power is negative, we take the reciprocal, it becomes positive. So what is the reciprocal of a by b? B upon a. We write b upon a. When we take reciprocal, we write positive power. Minus m become plus m. So whenever we take reciprocal, the negative power become positive and the positive power become negative. For example, let us take 2 by 3 raised to minus 5. I can write 3 by 2 raised to plus 5. Are you getting? 2 by 3 raised to minus 5, I can write 3 by 2 raised to plus 5. So whenever power is negative, yes, ask. Yes? Right. A by b raised to minus m, we can write b by a raised to plus m. So whenever power is negative, we take reciprocal, it becomes positive. And last is a raised to m upon b raised to n, I can write a by b whole raised to m. This is our normal calculation. Whenever power is same, I can take the power as common. A raised to m upon b raised to m, I can write a by b whole raised to m. This is important. Whenever power is negative and if we take reciprocal, power become positive. So based on this 6 result, yes, ask doubt. Which formula? Yes. We'll see that in the problem. Thing will be clear. Don't worry. So this you have to. Yes, ask. No. See, it is not there. You can take 2 raised to minus 3. Answer will be 2 raised to minus 3. You can take 2 raised to minus 3. And this is same as 1 upon 2 raised to 3. So whether you write 1 upon 2 raised to 3 or 2 raised to minus 3, both the answer are correct. Is it clear? Yes, see, no marks will be deducted according to me. Because you have understood that if the power is negative, we can take reciprocal. But normally we want our answer in terms of plus. If there is minus, if we can take reciprocal, if become positive, then we bring that answer in the form of positive and nothing else. Even if you stop there minus, nobody should cut the marks according to me. So 5 results you have to remember. Power into power, add the power. Power divided by power, subtract the power. Power raised to power, multiply the power. Power into power. No, if m is greater, then I will take n up. Because m is greater now, so I will take m minus n. If n is greater, then I will take n minus n. Whichever is greater, if m is greater, I will take n up, that will be m minus n. If n is greater, I will take 1 upon n minus n. So that our answer will be in terms of positive power. So Yes, yes. M minus, see, you can write m minus n or 1 upon a raised to n minus n. Then power into power, add the power. So 3 line you have to remember. Power into power. In all the 3 problem, in all the 3 formula, you want the base same. If base is same, then only these 3 formulas are applicable. Base AA, and A. So power into power, add the power, power divided by power, subtract the power, power raised to power, multiply the powers. So even if you are at home, along with me, all of you will speak. Power into power, yes, give the answer fast, all of you. Add the power, power divided by power, power divided by power, subtract the power, power raised to power, multiply the powers. Now, yes, now wait. In one breath, I will say all the 3 formula. Power into power, add the power, power divided by power, subtract the power, power raised to power, multiply the powers. So in one breath, all of you say, speak, start. Start all of you. Yes. Then power raised to power, multiply the powers. Power divided by power, subtract the power. Power into power, add the power. Yes. Yes. Power can be 0 also. If power is 0, the value is... Yes, yes. You write that is our 7th formula. 7th formula. A raised to 0, if the power is 0, A raised to 0 is 1. If the power is 0, the value of that is 1. A raised to 0 is 1. Yeah, 7 raised to 0 will be 1. 1 lakh raised to 0 will be 1. 10 lakhs raised to 0 will be 1. So how much smaller? Yes, whatever is, minus 16 raised to 0 will be 1. So whether number is positive, because the power is 0. The power is 0, the value of that becomes 1. The power is 0, the value of that becomes 1. Now we start 7a. Yes. 7a. 7a. What you want? Yes. Now let me do complete. Let me do this first. Complete. Then we'll see further part. Wait. Yet all of you are doing advanced booking. Homework or no homework? No. It is not like that. I think. No. See, I think that my students are brilliant. They all will solve the problem. 7th A, first one. Let us solve this. We'll see. 3 raised to 3 into 243 raised to minus 2 by 3 into 9 raised to minus 1 by 3. 9 raised to minus 1 by 3. 3 raised to 3 into 243 raised to minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3 into 9 raised to minus 1 by 3. So this we write 3 raised to 3. Now 243. Which one? 3 raised to 3 we'll see afterward. No. First I will convert. No. First I will convert all this in the form of power 3. See, 243. Yes, 3. See, 240. Yes. How to calculate that 243 in terms of power of 3? This we have already seen. I guess. But even that, after that I am explaining this. this you should not write. 243, start with 3. 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 27, 3 9s are 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. So 1 2 3 4 5. So this I can write 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. How many times? 5. So this I can write. So this I can write 3 raised to 5 raised to minus 2 by 3. Into 9 I can write 3 raised to 2 raised to minus 1 by 3. So this is 3 raised to 3. See here, power reciprocal lega, then you have to write 1 upon. Whenever you have denominator and numerator, then it is okay. But if there is only numerator, power is negative, don't take reciprocal. Yes. No. I will simply use the formula. Power raised to power. What is power raised to power? Multiply the powers. So 3 raised to 5 into minus 2 by 3 is minus 10 by 3. 5 into 2, 10, minus 10 by 3. Again, power raised to power. Multiply the powers. So 2 into minus 1 by 3 is minus 2 by 3. Now see, no, not common. Not common. It is power into power into power. Yes. No, you don't have to write that. Now see, this is now base is same, 3 into 3, 3. So whenever there is multiplication of power, a raised to m into a raised to n. So we take the same base 3, 3, 3. We take the base 3 and then we add the power 3, 3 minus 10 by 3 minus 2 by 3. We simplify. What is that? 3 raised to 3 minus 10 by 3. Yes. No, minus 10, minus 2, minus 12. Minus 12 by 3 is minus 4. Are you getting? No, minus 10. Yes. No, see, minus 10 by 3 and minus 2 by 3, you can simplify, no? What is minus 10 by 3, minus 2 by 3? Minus 12 by 3. Minus 12 by 3, I can write minus 4. Are you getting? No. Wait. Yes. Wait. Our answer is correct. See, let me take LCM as 3. So it will be 9 minus 2, 10 minus 2 upon 3. So what is that? Minus 9 minus 12 minus 3 upon 3. This get cancelled. That is 3 raised to minus 1, which is 1 upon 3. Yes, mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. So answer is 1 by 3. No. Minus sign is in the power. Minus sign is in the power means you have to take reciprocal. 3 raised to minus 1 does not mean minus 3. Remember. Minus 3 and 3 raised to minus 1, they are different. Yes, it can be more than 2 terms. But that rule you have to remember. Power into power, add the powers. Yes, so answer is 1 by 3. Let us take second. 5 raised to minus 4 into 125 raised to 5 by 3. Divide by 25 raised to minus half. 25 raised to minus half. So we write this 5 raised to minus 4 as it is. Yes, that we'll see now. First, let me convert all in with the same base 5. This is base 5. Now 125 I can write 5 raised to 3. 5 raised to 3 raised to 5 by 3. Divide by this I can write 5 raised to 2 raised to minus 1 by 2. So 5 raised to minus 4. Now power raised to power. So 3 into 5 by 3. 3 get cancelled. What is that? 5 raised to 5. Are you getting? 3 into 5 by 3. 3 get cancelled. 5. Divide by 5 raised to 2. So power raised to power. You have to multiply the power. So 2 into minus 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. 5 raised to minus 1. Are you getting? Yes. So what is that? Power into power. So power, 5 raised to power into power. We add the power, minus 4 plus 5. Divide by 5 raised to minus 1, which is 1 upon 5. So 5 raised to 1 divide by 1 upon 5. Now this I can write 5 raised to 1 means 5. See, division I can convert multiplication by taking reciprocal. So 5 into 5, answer is 25. Division can be 5 raised to 1 is 5. Yes. 5 raised to 1 is 5. Because it is divided by 1 by 5, no? Divide by 1 by 5, division I can convert into multiplication by taking reciprocal of the second, 1 by 5. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 5? 5. So 5 into 5 is 25. Understood? Yes. First part I am erasing, no? So all these are basic and important. Yes. Now let us do third one. 27 upon 125 raised to 2 by 3. Yes. Yes. What is the doubt? 27 third one, 27 upon 125, 27 upon 125 raised to 2 by 3 into 9 upon 25, 9 upon 25 raised to minus 3 by 2. So now we have to solve this. 27 I can write 3 raised to 3, and 125 I can write 5 raised to 3, 5 raised to 3 raised to 2 by 3 into this 9 I can write 3 square upon 25 I can write 5 square. Yes. So now first 3 raised to 3, 5 raised to 3. I can write 3 by 5 whole raised to 3. All of you agree? 3 raised to 3, 5 raised to 3. Yes. Next step I will cancel. No. This multiplied by 2 raised to 3. 2 upon 3. If the power is same, I can take them 3 raised to 3, 5 raised to 3. I can write 3 by 5 whole raised to 3. Then 2 raised to 3 is already there. Then the same thing I can write 3 raised to 2, 5 raised to 2. I can write 3 by 5 raised to 2 whole raised to minus 3 by 2. So now we apply 3 upon 5. See, I will advise you. I will advise you. You can take reciprocal if there is no power. If it is only 3 upon 5, then you take the reciprocal. Power become positive. But it is 3 and 5, they are having power 2. So I will advise you, don't take reciprocal in the beginning. If it is, yes, no problem, you will get the answer. Yes. So now power raised to power, multiply the power, 3 get cancelled. So what is that? 3 by 5 raised to 3 into 2 by 3 into 3 by 5, power raised to power, multiply the power, so 2 into minus 3 by 2. So 3 get cancelled, what is left? 3 by 5, no, first one, 3 by 5 raised to 3, no? 3 by 5 raised to 2 will come. 3 by 5 raised to 2 and 3 by 5 raised to minus 3. Yes. Second one. 3 by 5 raised to 2. First one, 3 get cancelled. So 3 by 5 raised to 2 into 3 by 5 raised to minus 3. Again the base is same. What is base? 3 by 5. Power is 2. What is base? 3 by 5. What is power? Minus 3. So whenever there is multiplication, we add the power. So that becomes 3 by 5 raised to 2 minus 3. Add the power. 2 plus minus 3 is 2 minus 3. So what is that? 3 by 5 raised to minus 1. Yes. So now if the power is negative, I will take reciprocal of 3 by 5, that is 5 by 3. And this is the answer. Yeah. Now fourth one, 7 raised to 0 into 25 raised to minus 3 by 2 minus 5 raised to 3. 5 raised to minus 3. Minus 5 raised to minus 3. 7 raised to 0 is 1. 25 I can write 5 raised to 2 raised to minus 3 by 2 minus 5 raised to minus 3. So power raised to power, multiply the power. So what is that? 5 raised to 2 into minus 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. What is left? 5 raised to minus 3. 5 raised to minus 3. 0, 0, 0. So answer is 0 because 1 into 5 raised to 2 raised to minus 3 by 2. So it is power raised to power. You have to multiply the power. So that becomes 5 raised to minus 3 minus 5 raised to minus 3. Same number, a minus a, it becomes 0. A minus a is 0. A minus a is 0, that you are studying in 5th standard, 6th standard. If the variables are same, yes, 5th standard, if the variables are same, a minus a, 0. No, we don't take reciprocal. If the terms are equal, we directly cancel them and write 0. Now 5th one, yes, same, it will be 1 upon 125 minus 1 upon 125, 0. If you take reciprocal, you will get 1 upon 125 minus 1 of... 5th one is important, that I am doing. 5th one you mark important for 3 to 4 marks. 16 upon 81 raised to minus 3 by 4 into 49 upon 9 raised to 3 by 2 divided by 343 upon 216 raised to 2 by 3 raised to 2 by 3. So let us do yes, now it is 16 upon 81 and power is negative. So I will take reciprocal, power will become positive. So this I will write 81 upon 16 raised to plus 3 by 4. See, we are not taking reciprocal of power, only we are changing the sign of power. When we take reciprocal of number inside, the sign of the power changes. Sign of the power changes. We don't take reciprocal power. We take reciprocal of the number inside the bracket. When we take reciprocal of the number inside the bracket, the sign of the power changes. So 16 upon 81 we write 81 upon 16 raised to plus 3 by 4 into 49 upon 9 I can write 7 raised to 2 upon 3 raised to 2 whole raised to 3 by 2. Divide by no, because that is 2 by 3, no. Power is positive, no. No. Multiplication you can carry, yes, you can do that way. That you can write multiplication, but I will suggest you, yes, you keep division, proceed. We'll see what is there in the end. Now 343 I can write 7 raised to 3. 216 I can write 6 raised to 3. So whole raised to 2 by 3. Now let us see. 81 I can write 3 raised to 4. 16 I can write highest. 81 I can write 3 raised to 4, 2 raised to 4 into, now this I can write 7 by 3, power is same 2, 2, so I can take power common, 7 by 3 raised to 2 raised to 3 by 2 divide by, again power is same, 7 by 6 raised to 3 raised to 2 by 3. So there also I can write 3, yes, 3, yes, first I will write that only. 3 raised to 4 upon 2 raised to 4 I will write 3 by 2 whole raised to 4, and then we'll cancel the power of each. So 3 raised to 4 upon 2 raised to 4 we write 3 by 2, yes, we write 3 by 2 whole raised to 4. So this we write 3 by 2 raised to 4 whole raised to 3 by 4 into, now 2 get cancelled, 7 by 3 raised to 3, 7 by 3 raised to 3 divide by, wait, 7 by 6 raised to 2. So this I can write 4 get cancelled, 3 by 2 raised to 3 into 7 by 3 raised to 3, now into 7 by 6 raised to 2. How we can add the power? Base is same, not no. See here. No. We cannot add the power because base is not same. This is 3 by 2. This is 7 by 3. So what I will do? I will just simplify. This I will write 3 raised to 3. 3 raised to 3 upon 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3 into 7 raised to 3 upon 3 raised to 3. Yes. Tell me. Into, yes, into 6 raised to 2. Now take the reciprocal. Division we are converting into multiplication, so that will be 6. Yes, as 7 raised to 2 upon, yes, 6 raised to 2 upon 7 raised to 2. Now we can simplify. See, this 3 raised to 3 get cancelled. Then 7 raised to 2, 1 get cancelled. What is left? 1 7 is left. Are you getting? So this is 7 into 6 raised to 2 means 6 into 6 upon 2 raised to 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are, wait, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, so 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63. 63 upon 2, are you getting? And 31.5. Yes, this complete these 5 problems. So no, you can stop there. 63 by 2. If number is small, you write in the decimal also, no harm. Yes. So revise all the formula. See, before you leave the group, you see that you have sent me your division and roll number in the chat box. That is required. Please. Yes, bye. Without fail, you send me your division and roll number in the chat box.